Pull-ups are often seen as a true test of upper body strength, a move that separates the fit from the super fit. Whether you're struggling to do your first pull-up or you're stuck at a plateau, yearning to increase your reps, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering the pull-up. Pull-ups are more than just an exercise. They are a benchmark of overall strength and physical fitness. This movement, which primarily engages the muscles of the back, shoulders, and arms, requires a significant amount of upper body strength and control. It's no surprise that pull-ups are used as a standard test of fitness in military training and various sports disciplines. But how can you transition from struggling to lift your chin above the bar to performing multiple reps with ease? The answer lies in a combination of technique, consistent practice, and strategic strength training. Let's dive into the key principles and exercises that will transform your pull-up game. Number 1. Understanding the mechanics of a pull-up. Before we jump into the training regimen, it's essential to understand the mechanics of a proper pull-up. The movement isn't just about pulling with your arms. It's a coordinated effort that starts with engaging your scapula, or shoulder blades. Engaging your scapula is the first step in performing a pull-up. Before bending your elbows, you need to retract your shoulder blades. This movement sets the stage for your back muscles to take on the load. Think of it as preparing your body for the pull, creating a solid foundation for the rest of the movement. To get the most out of your pull-ups, you must use a full range of motion. This means starting from a dead hang arms fully extended and pulling yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Then lower yourself back down in a controlled manner. Partial reps might feel easier, but they won't give you the strength gains that full range of motion pull-ups will. Number 2. The importance of time under tension tut. One of the most effective ways to build strength is by increasing the time your muscles are under tension. This concept, known as time under tension tut, involves performing exercises slowly and deliberately to maximize muscle engagement and growth. If you can only do a few pull-ups, try slowing down your reps. Instead of racing through them, take your time on both the upward and downward phases of the movement. Aim for each rep to last at least 10 seconds. This increased time under tension will challenge your muscles more effectively and lead to greater strength gains. Another method to increase time under tension is to incorporate max holds and drop sets into your routine. After completing your regular pull-ups, hold yourself at the top of the movement for as long as possible. Alternatively, you can perform drop sets, where you do as many reps as you can with body weight, then immediately switch to band-assisted pull-ups to continue the set. These techniques will push your muscles to their limits, promoting growth and strength. Number 3. Building a strong foundation. To excel at pull-ups, you need a strong foundation. This involves strengthening the muscles that support the movement and practicing exercises that mimic the pull-up. Resistance bands are an excellent tool for beginners. They provide assistance, making it easier to perform the pull-up motion with proper form. Choose a band with enough tension to support your weight, but still challenge you. Over time, as you get stronger, you can use lighter bands until you can perform unassisted pull-ups. If you're unable to do a full pull-up, start with isometric holds and negatives. Jump up to the top position of a pull-up and hold it for as long as you can. Then, slowly lower yourself down in a controlled manner. These negatives will help build the necessary strength to perform a full pull-up. Grip strength plays a crucial role in pull-ups. Dead hangs, where you simply hang from the bar, help develop your grip strength and prepare your body for the pull-up motion. Once you can hang for at least 30 seconds, progress to scapula pulls. These involve hanging from the bar and pulling your shoulder blades down and back without bending your elbows. Number 4. Practicing pull-ups frequently. The best way to get better at pull-ups is to practice them regularly. This principle, known as greasing the groove, involves performing the exercise frequently without going to failure. By doing pull-ups more often, your neuromuscular system becomes more efficient, making the movement feel more natural and less strenuous. Ladder workouts are a great way to practice pull-ups without burning out. For example, if you can do 7 pull-ups, you would do 1 rep, rest, then 2 reps, rest, rest, and so on up to 7 reps. After reaching the top of the ladder, you work your way back down. This method allows you to accumulate a lot of volume without exhausting yourself. Number 5. Losing body fat. One of the quickest ways to improve your pull-up performance is to lose excess body fat. Carrying extra weight makes pull-ups significantly more challenging, as it's akin to performing weighted pull-ups every set. By reducing body fat, you lighten the load your muscles have to lift, making pull-ups easier. Number 6. Increasing grip strength. Grip strength is often the limiting factor in pull-ups. If your grip is weak, it will be difficult to hold onto the bar long enough to perform multiple reps. Incorporate grip strengthening exercises like farmer's walks, dead hangs, and heavy deadlifts into your routine to improve your grip. Deadlifts are one of the best exercises for building overall strength, including grip and core strength. However, they come with a higher risk of injury if not performed correctly. Consider working with a coach to learn proper form and avoid potential injuries. Number 7. Using weighted pull-ups. Once you can do 5 or more pull-ups, start incorporating weighted pull-ups into your routine. Adding weight increases the difficulty, forcing your muscles to adapt and grow stronger. Start with a small amount of weight, such as 10 pounds, and gradually increase as you get stronger. Be cautious not to train to failure to avoid injury. Number 8. Engaging your lats. Proper lat engagement is crucial for effective pull-ups. Many people struggle with this, relying too much on their arms instead. Focus on activating your lats by performing straight arm pull-downs or having a partner poke your lats to stimulate muscle fibers. Remember, the initial movement of a pull-up involves pulling your shoulders down and back, not just bending your arms. Number 9. Optimizing grip width. The width of your grip can significantly impact your pull-up performance. A slightly wider than shoulder width grip is ideal for most people, as it allows for better engagement of the back muscles while minimizing strain on the shoulders. Experiment with different grip widths to find what works best for you. Number 10. Consistency and patience. Improving your pull-up strength takes time and dedication. Consistency is key. Stick to your training regimen and be patient with your progress. Celebrate small milestones along the way and stay motivated by tracking your improvements. For more insights into the benefits of a healthy lifestyle, kindly join us on the Discovering Hub Sports. If you found this video enjoyable, we encourage you to spread the word to your friends and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X as well.